organizations that are winning with AI are not the ones that are leading with it. They're not doing anything secret. They're not doing anything glamorous. They're doing the fundamentals really well.
I want to talk about insight number 3 because it talks about how AI is used. You see this in marketing all the time. I right now have AI agents that look at my data every week, generate a report, and email it out. Fully autonomous AI agents that are doing a task for me. The trust level of that in EHS is really low, as you might, it might not surprise you. It's 15% of people trust fully autonomous AI agentic AI. 77% of people want humans in command, not just human in the loop, which is the conversation out there, but human in command. And so talk to me about why that is, Tanya.
I think in the EHS profession, the understanding that we have a judgment based on our years of expertise as to what's happening. So if we go back to the example we talked about before, the schedule change, the substitution, the handoff, this is not unusual in EHS. This happens all the time in various different organizations. The interesting part is that we've been actually capturing all the signals on this for years through incidents, through near misses, through audits. The issue was never that we didn't know, but it was that we couldn't use the information in the moment. And I think if we think about incidences that occurred in organizations, many of them knew about them before they happened. And this is what AI will change for them, right? It will connect the patterns that are happening right now.
AI won't replace people in EHS, but it will make all of you superhuman. I think that's such a cool thing to be in. And in so many industries where it's like the talk is job replacement, I think in this industry, it's job enhancement, right? And if you look back, the trend for 40 years in EHS has been that subject matter expertise is key. No matter if that's your vendors or that's the people that run it. And what this report says loud and clear is that actually gets magnified in the age of AI, right? That expertise becomes more important, and the potential is to spread it around more. And again, when we know that's true because in the report, when we ask them what they're prioritizing, it is things like vendor expertise, expert oversight. It is very clear to this industry that they see the opportunity to become superhumans, and I love that insight. So let's move on to the outperformers. So one thing that we really wanted to understand is for those that are further up, what are they doing different, right? We divided all the respondents, 2,000 responses, into 3 segments, right? The low, medium. What are the statistically very different areas as far as how they're approaching things? And in some industries, that might have come out as the most tech forward, the most innovative, the most risk taking. That is not what this showed, right?
Data says that the organizations that are winning with AI are not the ones that are leading with it. They're not doing anything secret. They're not doing anything glamorous. They're doing the fundamentals really well. They're cleaning up their data. They're standardizing processes. They're making sure that risk is clearly understood and communicated. It's not secret. It's not hidden. It's no complexity around it. And I think if you look at something like the ISO 31000 guideline, it's been outlining what good risk management looks like for over a decade. It's the gold standard across industries and geographies. And at its core, it's really simple. It emphasizes integrating risk into decision-making. And that's where AI is really powerful. The organizations that we're outperforming today, they're not doing something new. There's no Wizard of Oz behind a curtain somewhere. They're curious. They're asking good questions. And they're actually applying those fundamentals in a really practical way.